Hey there, amazing learners! Welcome back to the channel. Or if this is your first time here, hello and welcome. This is the place where we make English learning and speaking easier, more fun, and most importantly, more fluent. So grab your favorite drink, find a quiet spot, and let's get started on today's lesson. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite techniques to improve your spoken English, especially if you're prepping for English proficiency exams, and it's called shadowing. Now, what is shadowing? It's when you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say at the same time, almost like you're shadowing their voice. Think of it as vocal exercise for your brain and mouth. It can really help you with improving pronunciation and building natural rhythm and intonation. It also boosts your confidence in real conversations. You get used to fast, connected speech. And best of all, anyone can do it, anytime. All you need is practice and a bit of focus. In our last few lessons, we practiced daily routines and common farewells. So today, we're going to work on another super useful category for tests and also everyday life, which is describing people. So whether you're talking about your family, friends, or even giving a description on your test, this theme comes up all the time. So let's jump into some shadowing practice. Speak along with me. Don't worry if it feels a little odd at first. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Pause the video if you need to. Phrase 1. She has a warm smile and always looks like she's ready to help. She has a warm smile and always looks like she's ready to help. Nicely done. Phrase 2. He's quite slim, with brown curly hair and glasses. He's quite slim, with brown curly hair and glasses. Awesome. Phrase 3. My best friend is very outgoing and loves telling jokes. My best friend is very outgoing and loves telling jokes. Well done. Phrase 4. Even though she's shy at first, she becomes really outspoken once you get to know her. Even though she's shy at first, she becomes really outspoken once you get to know her. Good job. Phrase 5. What I admire most about him is his kindness and sense of responsibility. What I admire most about him is his kindness and sense of responsibility. Great job. How did it feel? Was it challenging? That's totally normal, but keep practicing. Every time you shadow, you're training your ears and your mouth to speak like a native speaker. Keep at it and you'll start noticing improvements in your fluency, clarity, and confidence very soon. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit that like button or leave a comment below. And of course, share this video with someone who wants to improve their English too. Also, if you want to build your vocabulary and grammar skills while having fun, check out our sponsors at Translator Pup. It's a simple English quiz app and a great way to reinforce everything you learn here with great English learning made fun. Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and remember, fluency is a journey, not a race. And you've got this. See you in the next one.